Hi everyone, it's Silverlimey79 here. I just got in from work and what do I find at the bottom of the post box? My gold has arrived. So forgive my excitement. Obviously this is my first gold coin and obviously I got it in the raffle as well, which is fantastic. But this is my first gold coin ever. So I am super excited. It also comes with a Morgan. I got a Morgan as well, an 1879 Morgan. Yeah, I got this off Kleshguitars channel. I'll put the details in the description there. You guys feel free to have a look. I also got another package here. I'm not sure what this is, so we'll find out. I wasn't expecting anything, so it'd be interesting to see what this is. If it's nothing, obviously I won't bother showing it. But we're going to start off with the gold and the silver. I've just snipped the bottom here just to save a bit of time, so let's go for it. I hope all of you are doing extremely well. I'm sure you're looking forward to the weekend. There we go, you can see there, there's that little brown package there. Jeez, it's one thing. Oh, there we go. Right, I'll put that aside. Silverlimey79 gold. Let's have a look here. It says for Silverlimey79, congrats on the gold. Kleshguitarstv. Just a short letter congratulating you. I really do appreciate the kindness you've shown by joining my live stream on my YouTube channel, Kleshguitarstv. Thanks again. I hope you enjoy the absolutely awesome stuff I've sent to you. See you on the next one. Ah, fantastic, buddy. I'm looking forward to the next one. Right, let's take a look, shall we? Which one is first, I wonder? Okay, it looks like these are... Oh, there's the gold. Awesome. 10th ounce Gold Eagle 2018. I think the weight of these is 3.1 grams, something like that, if I'm not mistaken. Wow. Absolutely fantastic. I've been waiting for this to come pretty much all week. I've been checking the post box, and it's fantastic it's here. Wow. Let's see if we can open this for everybody. Looks like it's going to be harder than you'd think. Yeah. It's alright guys, I'll have to show you this another day by the looks of it. But there it is, 1/10 ounce Gold Eagle. Wow. Let's see if we can get a bit of clarity there. Wow, I'm really impressed with that. Wow. Let me know if you guys have got any gold. Right, we'll put that one down. We're going to have a look at the Morgan. This would be really funny if this was something else. Okay, there's... Oh. Wow. Looks like it has some toning on it as well. I'm getting some gloves on Monday, everyone, so just in case you're going to be having a go at me, but let's take this out. Let's take a look. I have got a new sleeve for it, so I'm just going to take it out the side here. Wow. Looks like an O mint mark. You can see that just down there, just in case you're unfamiliar. I think O is New Orleans, if I'm not mistaken. You might need to correct me there. Wow. Wow. Oh, fantastic. Look at that, guys. Wow. I'm super excited, man. This is just fantastic. Wow. And there's the 10th ounce gold. I think the image is St. Gordon's, if that is correctly pronounced. Wow. Fantastic. Wow. Okay, so let's have a look at this one here. So I'm going to do this off camera just in case there's any personal information in it. Oh, okay. It turns out to be nothing, guys. Oh, well. That's interesting. Oh, wow. Just in case you're wondering what that is, if you guys have ever checked this out, I've gotten into some cryptocurrency as well. I'm kind of expanding my portfolio in regards to what I'm holding. So I've got some crypto, and I've got now I've got some gold. So I can say I've got gold and silver. Just trying to expand my investment, if you can call it that. There's nothing else there. The most versatile payment cards in the world. Yeah, so I don't know if you have this in America and Canada as well. Worth a look. Yeah, cool. Thanks very much, guys. I'm going to get the Continental Challenge video. I'm going to be getting the Continental Challenge video done shortly. So I'll have that uploaded this evening. I've only got a short window because my wife is going to be in shortly and she'll need the space. But thanks very much for watching, guys. It was an absolute pleasure to share this opening with you. My first gold. Yankee, let me know what you think. I'm certainly not as good as your quarter ounce, but hell, I am super happy with that. Let me know if you guys have got any gold, if you collect fractional gold. But there it is. That's going to make and of course I've got this Morgan as well. I think it's a New Orleans mint, 1879. I think they started in 1878, if I'm not mistaken. But thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, by the way, just please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about the goal. The goal is up. I'm going to be drawing. I'm going to start with the winners tomorrow evening, hopefully, if time allows it. Otherwise, latest Sunday. But I'm going to try and aim for tomorrow. So don't forget about that. Make sure you put the password in to get involved in that. I will include it at the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching. Hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video.